The much popular and highly rated show of Colors TV, Swarajini is running with a lot of twists in the show. The show is running with a love triangle between Kartik Rajini Lakshya. The love triangle is giving too much entertainment to all the viewers of the show. It was on speculations that Helly Shah or Swara has left the show, but all those were false and rumors. The reality is the actress playing the character of Swara has gone to her hometown, Ahmedabad. The show is also running with one more suspense, i.e. Kavya's death. In previous episodes it was telecast that Maheshwari family was arrested along with Lakshya in the charge of killing Kavya, while Rajini made the bail of all the females of Maheshwari family. Police denied to leave men, and on the other hand everyone goes to watch a video of Kavya when they moved to home back. The video was the recording of the plan how she manipulated everyone. The recording showcased that she hanged herself, and when Lakshya opened the door the rope goes tight. In the video it was also shown that how Kavya gave drugs to Lakshya and made him dance on her tunes. The video also showed that Kavya isn't died, she is alive, and when Lakshya was about to burn her body his brother replaced it with a doll, which cleared that Lakshya is in false charge of Kavya's murder. One more twist in Swarajini is now Lakshya is again falling for Rajini as he realized all his mistakes, how much wrong he did with his own family and how much wrong he did with Rajini. He realized that Rajini was always right and he was wrong. It is predicted that Swara and Rajini will find the proof for Lakshya's innocence and will defeat Kavya's evil plan for Holi festival.